What if you could harness the power of your mind to attract wealth and abundance? What if the secret to unlocking your financial potential was as simple as changing the way you think? Visualizing your goals can create a clear path to success, making the impossible seem possible. But here's the twist. It's not just about daydreaming. It's about using specific techniques that can transform your mindset and your reality. Have you ever felt stuck in a cycle of debt or unfulfilling jobs? This dynamic approach can reset your financial trajectory. Stay tuned because the techniques revealed here could change everything. Are you ready to unlock the door to your financial future? Before we continue, subscribe to the channel. Here, you'll discover how to achieve financial independence. Turn on notifications and stay in the loop. The next few moments could redefine your relationship with money forever. Definition of financial freedom. Financial freedom is a term that gets thrown around a lot, but what does it really mean? At its core, financial freedom refers to the state where an individual has enough income to support their desired lifestyle without being chained to a job or excessive debt. It's about having the ability to make choices without the constant worry of money. Essentially, it means having control over your finances, rather than letting them control you. Reaching this state typically involves a blend of personal and professional goals. Many people aim to eliminate debt, build savings, and invest wisely. These objectives vary from person to person. For some, financial freedom might mean taking a year off to travel the world, while for others, it could mean retiring comfortably at an early age. Understanding what financial freedom looks like for you is the first step toward achieving it. Financial freedom is not a one-size-fits-all concept. It's shaped by individual values, aspirations, and life circumstances. For instance, someone with a passion for philanthropy may define financial freedom as the ability to donate generously to causes they care about. On the other hand, a person focused on security might see it as having a substantial emergency fund. Recognizing your unique perspective on financial freedom is crucial to setting the right goals. Achieving financial freedom often requires a shift in mindset. It's about moving from a scarcity mentality, where you constantly worry about money, to an abundance mindset, where you believe that you can create wealth and opportunities. This mental shift is essential for setting realistic goals and taking the necessary steps to reach them. In summary, financial freedom is about more than just having a lot of money. It's about aligning your financial situation with your life goals. It requires understanding your values, setting personal objectives, and cultivating a mindset that supports your journey toward financial independence. The power of visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool that can significantly impact your financial journey. It involves creating mental images of your goals and desires, allowing you to picture what achieving financial freedom looks like. By vividly imagining your desired financial situation, you can influence your mindset and behavior in a positive way. When you visualize your financial goals, you're not just daydreaming. You're actively setting the stage for your brain to recognize opportunities that align with those goals. This process can help you maintain focus and motivation, especially during challenging times. The more real you make your vision, the more likely you are to work towards it. Visualization can also help combat negative beliefs about money. Many people grow up with limiting beliefs, such as, "I'll never be wealthy," or "money is hard to come by." By visualizing success and abundance, you can challenge these negative thoughts and replace them with a more empowering narrative. This transformation can lead to more proactive financial behaviors, such as saving, investing, and seeking new opportunities. Moreover, the emotional aspect of visualization cannot be overlooked. When you visualize achieving your financial goals, you tap into the feelings associated with success, such as joy, satisfaction, and security. These emotions can drive you to take action and make choices that align with your vision, ultimately propelling you toward financial freedom. In essence, visualization is about creating a mental roadmap for your financial journey. It allows you to envision your goals, challenge limiting beliefs, and cultivate the emotional drivers necessary for achieving financial success. Embracing this practice can set you on a path toward making your financial dreams a reality. Effective visualization techniques. Now that we understand the importance of visualization, let's dive into some effective techniques that can help you manifest your financial goals. One popular method is creative visualization, which involves visualizing your goals in a detailed and imaginative way. You might picture yourself living in your dream home or enjoying a stress-free retirement. The key is to make these images as vivid and detailed as possible. Another effective technique is guided meditation. This approach often includes listening to recordings that lead you through a visualization process. During these meditations, you can focus on your financial aspirations while relaxing your mind and body. This practice can help reinforce your commitment to your goals and provide clarity on the steps you need to take. Vision boards are also a fantastic tool for visualization. By creating a collage of images and words that represent your financial goals, you can have a tangible reminder of what you're working towards. Place your vision board somewhere you'll see it daily, such as your office or bedroom. This visual cue can help keep your goals at the forefront of your mind. Journaling is another technique that can enhance your visualization practice. Writing down your financial goals, along with the emotions associated with achieving them, can deepen your commitment. You might also jot down any obstacles you foresee and brainstorm ways to overcome them. This reflective process can clarify your vision and motivate you to take action. In conclusion, adopting effective visualization techniques can significantly enhance your financial journey. Whether through creative visualization, guided meditation, vision boards, or journaling, these methods can help you manifest your financial goals and keep you focused on your path to financial freedom. Establishing financial goals. Establishing financial goals is a crucial step in the journey towards financial freedom. It's not just about wanting to be wealthy, it's about setting clear, specific targets that guide your financial decisions. When you define your goals, you create a roadmap for where you want to go with your money. This could include saving for a house, paying off debt, or planning for retirement. The key here is to make these goals specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, and time-bound, known as the SMART criteria. For example, instead of saying, "I want to save money," a more effective goal would be, "I want to save $10,000 for a down payment on a house within 3 years." This level of specificity helps you track your progress and stay motivated. It gives you a clear target to aim for. Plus, having specific goals can help you prioritize your spending and saving habits, steering you away from unnecessary expenses that don't align with your objectives. Visualization plays a vital role here. Once you have your financial goals set, visualizing them can help you stay focused and motivated. Imagine what it will feel like to reach that goal. Picture yourself living in that new house or celebrating your debt-free status. This mental exercise can strengthen your commitment and keep your goals at the forefront of your mind, especially during challenging times when the temptation to spend might arise. Moreover, regularly reviewing and adjusting your goals is essential. Life changes, and so do your financial needs and desires. By keeping your goals flexible and revisiting them often, you can ensure they remain relevant. If you find that your initial goals no longer resonate with you, don't hesitate to redefine them. The process of establishing financial goals is dynamic, and it should evolve as you progress in your financial journey. Lastly, remember that establishing financial goals isn't just about the numbers. It's also about the emotional aspect. Think about what achieving these goals means to you and how they will improve your quality of life. Emotional connections can be powerful motivators, driving you to take the necessary actions to achieve your financial aspirations. Creating a financial vision board. Creating a financial vision board is a fun and impactful way to visualize your financial goals. A vision board is essentially a collection of images, quotes, and words that represent what you want to achieve financially. It serves as a daily reminder of your aspirations and helps keep you motivated. The process of putting together a vision board can be quite creative and engaging, allowing you to express your financial dreams visually. To get started, gather materials like magazines, scissors, glue, and a board or poster. Begin by thinking about your financial goals and the images or phrases that resonate with those objectives. Are you aiming to travel the world? Find pictures of beautiful destinations. Want to own a luxury car? Cut out images of your dream vehicle. This tangible representation of your goals can make them feel more attainable and real. Once you've collected your images and words, arrange them on your board in a way that feels right to you. There's no wrong way to do this. It's all about what inspires you. You can organize it by categories or simply let your creativity flow. The important thing is that when you look at your vision board, it sparks positive feelings and motivates you towards your financial goals. Place your vision board in a spot where you'll see it regularly. This could be in your home office, bedroom, or even as a background on your phone or computer. The more you see it, the more it reinforces your goals. Over time, this constant visual stimulation can help you stay aligned with your objectives and inspire action. Additionally, don't hesitate to update your vision board as your goals evolve. If you achieve a goal, celebrate it by removing it from the board and adding new aspirations. This practice keeps your vision board relevant and allows you to continually dream bigger and reach higher in your financial journey. Creating a financial vision board is not just about aesthetics. It's a powerful tool for manifestation. By consistently visualizing your goals, you're training your mind to focus on what you want and how to get there. It's a fun yet serious commitment to your financial well-being, visualizing and attracting opportunities. When it comes to financial success, many people talk about the law of attraction. But what does that really mean? The essence of the law of attraction is that what you focus on, you attract into your life. By visualizing financial success, individuals can create a mental environment that encourages new opportunities to surface. It's not just about wishing for wealth, it's about believing that you deserve it and preparing yourself to recognize opportunities when they arise. This mindset can significantly influence one's actions and decisions, often leading to serendipitous encounters and fortuitous events. Imagine waking up every day with a clear picture in your mind of what financial success looks like for you. This could be a thriving business, a comfortable home, or the ability to travel freely. By consistently visualizing these goals, you train your brain to identify pathways to achieving them. People often find that, as they focus on their desired outcomes, they start noticing job openings, investment opportunities, or networking events that they might have otherwise overlooked. The power of visualization lies in its ability to shift your perspective, making you more receptive to the possibilities around you. Moreover, visualization serves as a motivational tool. When you can vividly picture your goals, it creates a sense of urgency and purpose. This excitement can push you to take actionable steps toward your financial dreams. Whether it's learning a new skill, starting a side hustle, or saving a little extra each month, the visualized end goal provides the necessary drive. As you begin to see real-world connections between your visualizations and opportunities, your belief in the law of attraction strengthens, creating a positive feedback loop. Additionally, it's important to remember that visualization doesn't mean passively waiting for things to happen. It's about actively engaging with your vision. This could involve setting aside time each day to meditate on your goals or creating vision boards that depict your aspirations. Engaging with your visualizations in a tangible way can reinforce your commitment and make the process feel more concrete. The more you immerse yourself in this practice, the more naturally you'll begin to attract opportunities that align with your financial goals. Finally, the relationship between visualization and opportunity attraction isn't just one way. As you attract opportunities, you also gain insights and experiences that can refine your vision. Perhaps a chance encounter leads you to a mentor, or a business idea evolves after discussing it with peers. Each opportunity can serve as a stepping stone, guiding you toward your ultimate financial aspirations and enriching your journey along the way. Monitoring and adjustments. Once you've established your financial goals and visualizations, it's crucial to monitor your progress regularly. Life is dynamic, and so are your circumstances, which means your goals may shift over time. By taking the time to review your visualizations and financial objectives, you can ensure they still align with your personal aspirations and current situation. This check-in process allows you to celebrate your achievements and identify areas that may need more focus or adjustment. Monitoring doesn't have to be a daunting task. It can be as simple as dedicating a few moments each week to reflect on your goals. Ask yourself what's working and what's not. Are there opportunities that you've successfully attracted? Have you taken steps toward your financial aspirations? This reflective practice can provide clarity and help you stay on the right path. When you recognize progress, no matter how small, it can serve as a powerful motivator to keep pushing forward. In addition to reflection, adjustments are essential. Perhaps you initially set a goal to save a certain amount of money each month, but due to unforeseen circumstances, that's no longer feasible. It's okay to revise your goals. Adjusting your financial targets doesn't mean you're giving up. It means you're being realistic and adaptable. This flexibility is key to maintaining motivation and momentum, as it allows you to continue moving forward, even when faced with challenges. Furthermore, as you grow and evolve, so will your priorities. What seemed important a year ago may not hold the same significance today. By regularly reassessing your goals, you can ensure they are still meaningful to you and reflect your current desires. This alignment between your goals and your life circumstances can lead to greater satisfaction and fulfillment on your financial journey. Lastly, incorporating feedback into your monitoring process can enhance your growth. Seek advice from mentors, peers, or financial advisors who can offer insights based on their experiences. Their perspectives can help you refine your visualizations and goals, providing new ideas or approaches that you might not have considered. This collaborative aspect can enrich your journey, making the process of achieving freedom even more rewarding. As we wrap up this journey into the power of visualization for financial freedom, remember that your mindset shapes your reality. Picture your goals clearly. What does your ideal financial situation look like? Imagine waking up each day excited about the opportunities that await you. Visualization isn't just daydreaming. It's a powerful tool that can propel you toward your dreams. Now, let's take a moment for self-reflection. Have you been setting aside time to visualize your financial goals? If not, it's time to start. Grab a notebook and jot down your dreams. Visualize them as if they're already happening. Can you feel the excitement? That energy can drive you into action. And here's a thought to ponder. What would you do if money were no object? How would that change your daily life? Keep those questions alive in your mind as you go about your day. Before you go, share your biggest takeaway in the comments. Let's create a community of dreamers and doers. Remember, your financial freedom starts with a vision. So keep visualizing, keep believing, and take that next step toward the life you deserve.